Sumayaw Sumunod. What a way to start your set, guys. I know your anchors are excited for this next chapter in your career, so what should they look forward to? Loaded question.
Oh, I mean, of course, there are many already visions that we have for what's in store for us this year and for the many more years to come. And I guess the farthest I can say is that there are many things to look out for, and there are many different colors to horizons.
Which we have lots of plans pa na malapit na dumating and mag-fruition na talaga makakita nila. Kaya sana excited sila lagi. Kasi lagi naman nila talagang pinapakita yung anticipation nila for our releases. Like for this one, may sumunod na ito na pinapilabas namin bago mag-concert kami.
Yeah.
Diba? So na-perform namin in front of them. So, ulit for the next release.
I promise it's gonna be really exciting.
True that. Yeah, but now your lips are sealed
Yeah.
for the other, parts of that. And I bet all of the anchors are feeling lovey-dovey